Hey guys, Emeka here. Welcome back to my channel. And we're going to continue with the Google versus Amazon Lab series. And today we're going to look at VPC, which stands for Virtual Private Cloud. And what is a VPC? It is essentially an isolated environment in your public cloud, which you can spin up your instances in. So it's an isolated environment in your Google or AWS infrastructure. Anytime you spin up an EC2 instance in AWS or a compute instance in Google, you will be doing it inside a VPC. Now in the last video we showed you how to do that, but I didn't really highlight the VPC part. But let me just show you that really quickly so you'll know what I'm talking about. So remember in AWS, to set up an EC2 instance, you just click on EC2, you click on Launch Instance, you select the AMI you want, you select the instance type, and then here in the configuration details, you enter the number of instances and you select the network. This is where you select the VPC. There is a default VPC right there that is automatically set up. So if this default VPC wasn't there, you wouldn't have been able to create that EC2 instance. Same thing applies to Google when you're setting up your compute. So you go to Compute Engine, go up to VM Instances, create, enter your instance name. If you come down to networking, you'll see that there is already a VPC instance set up as well. So there's a default already set up in AWS and Google, but in this video let's talk about how to create a VPC from scratch. So to do that, you go to Services and VPC Creation. It will be under the networking category. So you see it down here. Alternatively, you could just type VPC in the search box up here. It will show up. So click VPC. So now that I'm in VPC, click on Your VPCs. And now I'm going to create a new VPC. Give the VPC a name, On1 Productions. Enter the VPC CIDR block, which is essentially the range of IP addresses that will apply to this VPC that you're creating. So let's do, then hit Create. So now I've created my VPC, the On1 Productions VPC. I'm going to put some subnets in this VPC. Now that I'm creating a subnet, when I get my drop down, I see the VPC that I've created. So what is the IP range for the subnet? Remember, it has to be a subcategory of the IP range of the VPC. Let's do that. Hit create. And now I've created a subnet. Now this VPC does not have a window to the internet yet until you add an internet gateway. So let's create an internet gateway. The internet gateway is not attached, so let's attach it to the VPC. Select the VPC, the one I just created, On1 Productions, attach. There you go. Now if I were to come to EC2 and I try to set up an EC2 instance, launch an EC2 instance with a Unix AMI, one instance, I can drop down, select my On1 Productions VPC that I've just created, and go ahead and do all the other stuff here. So that's how you create a VPC on AWS. Jumping over to Google, the way you do it is you come down to VPC Network and then VPC Networks. So you click on that, click on Create VPC Network, give your VPC a name. I usually like to set it to automatic, so that it automatically sets the IP ranges for you. Select the firewall rules that you need. In this case, we're saying allow ICMP traffic, TCP traffic to come in to the VPC, then hit Create. This notification tells me that a new network has been created, On1 Productions, great. Let's look at firewall rules. You can see the firewall rules for the new VPC, On1 Productions, they're all set up, great. And you can see the routes in the routing table, all there for On1 Productions. So all this is auto-created for you in Google very quickly. So now if I wanted to set up a Google compute instance, I just go to Compute Engine, go to VM Instances, click on Create. And then if I were to go down to networking, I can select the new VPC that I just created, On1 Productions. So it can be done very quickly with the automated way, or you can manually do it on Google. I just showed you the automated way because it's a lot faster. There's probably some routing table rules that have to be done in the AWS side, but I'm going to save that for a video where I talk about routing table. So thanks for watching. Remember, if you like the content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit that like button, and I'll see you next time.